Okay, here we are at the Four Points by Sheridan in Newark, PA. We have another elevator that's in the opposite part of, it's on the, I believe the east side part of the hotel. This might be lawn oil. Okay, maybe not. These used to be Dovers with black button, and now they've been modded to this. There's your inspection ticket, which is expired. I believe these are Epco fixtures. Okay. I'm not gonna get a long ride on this, but we're gonna go end it up at 5. There we go. This lantern over here looks like a Series 1 lantern. But yeah, these aren't really that bad, but just that the cab's like very, very small. Capacity is 2,000 pounds. And when I mean small, it's small. Down to 3 minutes off. Watching the kid on the way down.